Hold on to your hats, crypto fans, because Picoin is on fire. This digital currency has been making waves in the crypto community, and for good reason. This weekend, Picoin surged a massive 40%, leaving the rest of the market in the dust. Such a significant rise in such a short period has caught the attention of investors and analysts alike. Yeah, you heard that right, 40%. This kind of movement is rare and has everyone buzzing with excitement. From the depths of recent lows, Picoin has skyrocketed back to around 65 cents. Just a few weeks ago, it seemed like Picoin was struggling to find its footing, but now it's back with a vengeance. It's enough to make your head spin. The rapid rise has left many wondering if this is just the beginning of an even bigger rally. This incredible surge has everyone asking the same question: is Picoin about to double in price? The speculation is running wild, and the community is divided. Some analysts are saying yes, pointing to the coin's growing popularity and exciting upcoming developments. They believe that the momentum behind Picoin is strong enough to push it to new heights. But before you go all in on Pi, let's take a closer look at what's really going on. While the recent surge is impressive, it's important to understand the factors driving this growth. Market sentiment, upcoming technological advancements, and broader economic conditions all play a role in the coin's performance. Analysts are closely watching the market trends and trying to predict the next move. Some are optimistic, citing the coin's innovative technology and strong community support. Others are more cautious, warning that the crypto market is notoriously volatile and unpredictable. The debate is intense, with valid points on both sides. On one hand, the potential for growth is undeniable. On the other hand, the risks are equally significant. It's a classic case of high risk, high reward. So what should you do? If you're considering investing in Picoin, it's crucial to do your own research and understand the market dynamics. Keep an eye on the latest news, follow expert analyses, and be prepared for potential ups and downs. The future of Picoin is uncertain, but one thing is clear. It's an exciting time to be involved in the world of cryptocurrency. Whether Picoin will double in price or not, the journey is sure to be thrilling. Stay tuned for more updates and keep your eyes on the market. While Picoin parties, the rest of the crypto market is nursing a hangover. The cryptocurrency world is a roller coaster, and right now it seems like Picoin is on the exhilarating ascent while others are plummeting down. Bitcoin, the big kahuna itself, is stuck in a rut, bouncing between $81,000 and $88,000. Investors who once rode the Bitcoin wave to new heights are now left staring at stagnant charts, wondering when the next big move will come. The once mighty Bitcoin, which has been the poster child of the cryptocurrency revolution, seems to be taking a breather. It's as if the market is holding its breath, waiting for a sign, any sign, that the king of crypto will make its next big leap. Altcoins, those other crypto hopefuls, are hurting even worse, with most of them ending the week in the red. These digital currencies, which once promised to be the next big thing, are now struggling to keep their heads above water. Investors are left with portfolios that are bleeding, hoping for a turnaround that seems elusive. So, what makes Picoin so special? Why is it thriving while the rest of the market struggles to stay afloat? The answer isn't straightforward. Picoin's success can be attributed to a combination of factors. Its unique consensus algorithm, which allows for more efficient and secure transactions, has garnered a lot of attention. Additionally, the community-driven approach of Picoin has created a loyal and active user base that believes in the long-term potential of the currency. It's a question that has analysts scratching their heads. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously unpredictable, and Picoin's rise amidst a sea of red is a testament to its unique position in the market. Investors are rubbing their hands together in glee, watching their portfolios grow while others falter. The excitement around Picoin is palpable, and its future looks bright as it continues to defy market trends and soar to new heights. Nobody knows for sure why Picoin is suddenly the hottest thing since sliced bread. But there are some juicy theories floating around. Some say it's because of whispers about game-changing updates coming to the PiNetwork. Others claim it's just a classic case of FOMO, fear of missing out, as investors pile in, hoping to ride the wave to riches. Whatever the reason, one thing's for sure, Picoin is on a roll. The question is, will it last? Analysts are cautiously optimistic about Picoin's future, but even the most enthusiastic predictions are full of ifs and maybes. The cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile, and while Picoin has shown promise, it is still in its nascent stages. Experts are analyzing various factors, including the technology behind Picoin, its scalability, and the team driving the project. They are also considering the broader market trends and how other cryptocurrencies have fared in similar situations. The consensus is that while Picoin has potential, it is far from a guaranteed success. Some say Pi could double in value, but that's assuming the PiNetwork delivers on its promises and the current hype translates into real-world adoption. The PiNetwork's unique approach to mining, which allows users to mine Pi coins on their mobile devices without draining battery life, has garnered significant attention. However, the real test will be whether this innovative method can sustain long-term growth and attract a broad user base. Additionally, regulatory challenges and market competition are factors that could impact Picoin's trajectory. If the PiNetwork can navigate these hurdles successfully, the sky might indeed be the limit. Meanwhile, the Pi community is buzzing with excitement. Enthusiasts are organizing meetups, online forums are filled with discussions, and there's a palpable sense of anticipation. The community's enthusiasm is a double-edged sword. While it can drive adoption and create a strong support network, it can also lead to unrealistic expectations. Community-driven projects often thrive on the passion of their members, but they also need to manage that passion carefully to avoid disillusionment if things don't go as planned. Social media is flooded with posts from Pi believers, convinced that this is just the beginning of something truly special. Hashtags like #PidoTheMoon and #PiNetwork are trending, and influencers are jumping on the bandwagon, sharing their predictions, and encouraging their followers to get involved. This social media buzz is a powerful tool for spreading awareness and attracting new users, but it also comes with the risk of spreading misinformation. It's crucial for potential investors to do their own research and not rely solely on social media hype. But remember, folks, hype can be a dangerous drug. The fear of missing out, FOMO, can lead to impulsive decisions and significant financial losses. It's essential to approach any investment, especially in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies, with a clear head and a well-thought-out strategy. Diversification, risk management, and staying informed are key principles that can help mitigate the risks associated with investing in emerging technologies like Picoin. Don't let the excitement cloud your judgment. Take the time to understand the fundamentals of Picoin, its potential use cases, and the challenges it may face. Consult with financial advisors, read up on market analyses, and stay updated with the latest news. By making informed decisions, you can better navigate the complexities of the cryptocurrency market and make choices that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Section 5. PiNetwork. More than just a coin. PiNetwork isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's trying to build a whole ecosystem around its coin. Think apps, games, and even social media platforms, all powered by Pi. It's an ambitious vision, and if it works, it could be huge. But building a successful ecosystem takes more than just hype. It takes time, resources, and a dedicated community. Does PiNetwork have what it takes? Section 6. The risks of riding the Pi hype train. Before you jump headfirst into the Pi pool, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Risk. Cryptocurrencies are notoriously volatile, and Picoin is no exception. What goes up can come crashing down just as quickly, and anyone who tells you otherwise is either lying or delusional. Remember, folks, investing in crypto is like riding a roller coaster in the dark. It's thrilling, it's unpredictable, and there's a good chance you'll puke your guts out. Section 7. Picoin investment strategy, hype versus fundamentals. So, should you invest in Picoin? The short answer is, it depends. Are you a gambler who loves a good adrenaline rush? Then go for it, but don't come crying to us when you lose your shirt. If you're looking for a more measured approach, here's some advice. Do your research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. And remember, hype is fleeting, but fundamentals are forever. Section 8. The future of PiNetwork. What's next? The future of PiNetwork is uncertain, but one thing's for sure, it's going to be interesting. Will Picoin live up to the hype and become the next big thing in crypto? Or will it crash and burn, leaving a trail of disappointed investors in its wake? Only time will tell. But in the meantime, we'll be watching closely, popcorn in hand, ready for whatever twists and turns this wild ride throws our way. Section 9. Join the Pi conversation. What do you think about Picoin's meteoric rise? Are you a believer or a skeptic? Share your thoughts and join the conversation in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future crypto updates.